My new self-image is the self-image that I want to become and my world to become. How often we see it as real in the mind and feel it as real in the mind. You want to see this in your mind and feel it as real every day, but it doesn't have to be the same thing. You can view multiple scenes as long as they're all in the same direction. That will nurture your mind in the frequency you're in consistently. The supplemental beliefs I was talking about over here is self-image. Self-image, that's all it is a set of beliefs on what I believe to be myself and my world. My new self-image is the self-image that I want to become and my world to become. All of the conversations in your world are a reflection of the self-image that we carry. You can manifest, I am strong, confident, and better than ever with money. This self-image script, you can actually pick out beliefs. It's very vital to realize the result and the changes in our life only come through application of this. Number one is that visualization. Let's do like a little first, because you have to first decide on and write out the new self-image. You see the unseen, mental conversations in harmony with that thing, feel it to be true, then let it go. Number two is mental conversations before bed. We don't talk about this one a lot. There's just so many, all these exercises work. We're just kind of going through some. Pick a person and talk to them before bed. Tell them about your massive success and accomplishments. Okay, what we're doing instead is sending out energy that has to respond, has to start a process of even having a conversation with that person or another being. And number three is consistent repeat. So that could be every morning. You just say it out loud. You could do mirror work with it as well. You could say it in your eyes. Take a line, remember what it says, look up, say it in the mirror, look down, look at the line. But often repeating these things will help you just keep thinking about it, reminding yourself of the full script as well. Those three, I would say, are the big three for this exercise, self-image. There are hundreds of different things that are possible. I've found that these three are just mega when it comes to accepting ideas as fast as possible and actually seeing that self-image replicate itself on the outside. Post is forget about it, is now unfolding. That's really key. Don't search for your manifestation. Let it go, let it come to you by not focusing on the idea. Let it go, build the business, do your thing, increase people, live your life. So basically we put it out there and then we think about something else. Bridge of incidents is not, that's a phrase you could think about every day forever, because it reminds you, okay, things are being set up for me. And then one day you're having dinner and you have a conversation in harmony with your self-image. You say, whoa, why am I feeling this way? Why am I acting this way? Why am I different? Yeah, so basically when we're trying to accept an idea and we're trying to put an idea in the subconscious mind, the conscious mind often, the ego part of the conscious mind wants to reject the idea. It's like when you're really tired, get on these calls, because ideas and things are just being lodged in your mind nonstop because you're in a state where you're just receptive to allowing things in.